What is keyword and why it is so important? In today's digital world, keyword research is an essential part of any SEO strategy. It helps businesses to identify the words and phrases that people are using when searching for their products or services. By understanding the language used by potential customers, businesses can create content that is optimized for search engines and more likely to be found by their target audience. It involves finding the right keywords to target in order to rank higher in search engine results and drive more organic traffic to your website. Keyword research also provides insights into how users interact with a website and what kind of content they are looking for. This allows companies to tailor their SEO strategies to meet the needs of their target audience and increase their chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for certain keywords. The following are some common marketing tactics businesses use to increase their chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for certain keywords using keyword research. They would definitely use keyword research for the following purposes. Number 1. Optimizing blog posts and social media posts. Number 2. Creating content that is relevant to users' interests. Number 3. Creating content that is engaging and interactive. Number 4. Analyzing a website's traffic reports. This will help to increase your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic to your website. Additionally, it will help to ensure that the content on your website is relevant and useful for your target audience. By doing keyword research, you can identify the most relevant words and phrases that your target audience is using when searching for information related to your business or industry.